Ningon ka ni teacher, why is the sky blue? Have you happened to ask that to your teacher? Bekin sa may na teacher man, good lang blue ng sky. Nano good lang ulan? Have you ever asked that? Wala. Now try
wala ka bulos ping-ping ang videoan malo.
Kana bang maintriga ka nga asa gudi gikan? Nano gudi na itabo? That's a sign of a future scientist. So, kanta sa
mga babae may dali na magawa sa babae.
Do not quit. Kung find it difficult to solve, do not quit. Pwede na mong find ka another solution. Another way. Kanang itawag ko, mais ba?
Oh, jodo. Oh.
Solution. Dili mo dali na ako makuha imon ani mo ba?
Suklat sa plate ko.
Gamit kayo. Yair ko. Yo.
District, unong ka schools na ang fight. Naka-first na. This is a challenge for all of us, contest, family. Oh, you see? Let's pray for them kay they will be competing. Ang ilang kontra, Science LM, SPED, karon ha, karon. You see, these are our critical thinkers. A round of applause. Asa ka? Critical thinkers. Problem solvers. Oh, bali-baliunis mga judges of question, pero makatubang. Yes. Handas family. The winners of the mathematical investigation for the South Cluster. A round of applause, please. Okay, to God be all the glory. Fight, fight, fight. Go, go, go. Win, win, win. To God be all the glory. Thank you for giving fame to Country Elementary School. With that, enjoy the whole activity for this morning as we end the activity for the science and math. To God be all the glory. God bless Country Elementary School, faculty and staff, as well as the whole learning community. Thank you.
Daog. O, diba? So, dito maglangay, let us go to our mathematics community dance with the selected grade 6 pupils. Let's give them a round of applause. Ang bata di ay musaya, we will dance together with the dancers. Everybody, move backward, arms sideward, kung arms sideward pa. Ready? Musuitan mo nagsayaw. O, diba?
Thank you. Okay, first place for the fourth event, Francis H. Andrea, with the coach, Miss Jill Pantigil. Second place, okay, Micaela Solpo, participants.
Wala lang.
Okay, let's have now the 6th level, grade 6 for multi. Okay, first place for multiplication 2, Dayan A. and Tension. First place with the coach, Ami Asyo. Second place, Jonah Ray and Patinga. Let's give her a round of applause. Sir Christian Joseph Mascardo. Second place, Prison Thrill J. Cardalin A. Lucere.
Mayo.
Teacher, I see. And for our first place winner in science journalism, let me call on John Jaime Piquesque. Okay, Ma'am Nita, please come up the stage. And for our first place winner, wala gihapon. With her proud coach, Sir Christian. Sige, ready? Wow, look at the grade 1, no? Diba? Happy kayo. Sige, grade 1, come up now. You pass that.